Why you should use the new Cobra Safe-Crimp system. Number 1. Using the new Cobra Safe-Crimp system and tools makes it quick and easy for installation to existing infrastructure, saving you time and money. Number 2. The new Cobra Safe-Crimp system is JASWIC certified and carries a 10-year warranty. Number 3. Our system can withstand the maximum working pressure of 1000 kilopascals, making it an excellent option for domestic plumbing. Number 4. Our TH profile ensures that the plumber gets a leak-tight joint time after time. Number 5. Our aluminum layer is overlapped and welded, adding strength to the system. Number 6. Our award-winning after-sales team offers full support and training.